Okay, just unboxing. Let's make this quick because I'm running out of time. Okay. I'm gonna open first the 4x4. Let's set aside this R-Stream, my current main. It's still the best budget cube. I chatted my mother to buy me this and he agreed. Fortunately, thankfully, what I meant. Because I'm a YG lover and not really meant to be YG lover because this is the best 4x4 that is available on the shop right now. This is the best recommended 4x4 by other cubers. I have no choice to take it. Okay, kinda excited for this unnecessary fancy packaging from YG. Kinda remember this from my 2x2. Here's the puzzle. Nice. I think that's good. Nothing. Oh, what's in underneath this? Nothing. What the hell? What a waste of time. Okay, let's do first turns. Okay. Not bad actually. I think this will be my official game to the next comps from my upcoming comps. Out of the box it feels handy, that's all. Let's do corner cutting, reverse corner cutting. Okay. I'm just gonna put some lube on it. Let's put it back. Okay, I forgot to put back accessories. Okay, and this one. If only I had plenty time to do this, I would be not rushing. I wouldn't be rushing. I'm excited for this. I hope this could become my main. Just to replace this R-Stream 2022. I mean 2020. Okay, I'm kinda lost one. This is my second G MP, by the way. My first MP was the 5x5 that I received from my fellow cubing friend named Dale Palmares, because yeah, it gives sympathy on me. Another unnecessary unboxing. Okay. I guess I'm gonna put this back. It's not actually important. Okay, with this 3x3, I think I'm going to do an example think we still have plenty of time to do this. Let me get my timer. I'm kinda excited for this. So miraculously guys, this other phone of mine is 100%. So I think I'm gonna use this now. At this timer, competition timer. Okay. That was lucky. Okay. Very lucky. I'm kind of always doing that. Okay, let's do first turns. Okay, I think this could be a main killer. I don't know. Turn's actually good. Not gonna lie. I'm starting and thinking if this cube needs some loop or it's better the way it is. You know what I'm saying? It's just better the way it is. Come on guys, just look how it turns. It's better without the loop. Let's see if it has some fancy tool adjustments and stuff. I'm kind of having some trouble issues. Oh, yeah, it has some. Basically this cube is just a budget version of a Tornado V3, if I'm not mistaken. I think I could use this as the main, I don't know. Okay, I'm having some troubleshoots. Let's make it faster. So we're running out of time, literally. This cube actually needs some I can tell this is a mix of a Danshin Solar STM and Monster Go or the Swift Lock from Gun's Puzzle, a Gun Subrun. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for now. Okay, here's the scramble. Let's do an example solve and end this video on the card right now. Just want to end this. Okay, I think I'm not gonna use this. Okay, 1181, not bad.